Oh, what you got there, Harry Potter? Is it something dealing with Harry Potter? Let's see. You see that? Escape from Gringotts. Signed by the creators. Is it going to look as good as it does on the package? Let's find out. You have the sorting hat, Quidditch. Not sure what that. What's this middle one? Somebody tell me in the comments. What's that middle one? Oh my God. Look at the dragon. And this is the base where they broke out. This is a keepsake. What is it? This is a Hallmark Keepsake Ornament. Let's see. Oh, that's just tissue paper. Well, how the hell do you put it together? I thought they were gonna give me some instructions, but I guess not. Wow. Okay. You see that? Let me move the dragon up a little bit. It changes colors. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Can y'all see that? I don't have my glasses on, so I can't really see. I hope you can see it. Look at the scale detail on the back of the dragon. Look at his teeth marks. Wow. It's got some weight to it. I don't know if it's gonna fit on the tree without weighing down the tree. In Hallmark, some instructions would have been nice, or at least a full pic of it set up on the box, so that I could see what it looks like. I'm still excited though. Okay, got an email from Hallmark. I guess a bunch of people got their ornaments today. Today is May 1st. And we're all like, how do you put this together? You don't. It's two separate ornaments that go on your tree. Like, okay. And
I said I'd get you in. I didn't say anything about getting you out. Grab up! Grab up!
We can't just stand here. Who's got an idea?
don't want the video to go on. I don't even know if they'll let me play all that. We shall see. Oh, wow. So again, it's two separate ornaments. Why didn't y'all put that in the doggone box, Hallmark? Had us all freaking out, stressing out. But anyway, it's two separate ornaments that go on your tree. And when you put them on there, I guess you can put them close together or not. And then there's that little button on here. You get scenes from the actual film. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Hallmark Keepsake Ornament. Escape from Gringotts. Came out this month. Well, April. You had to pre-order it last May though.